Good morning, Empowering Communities Project. It could be evening where you are, depending where you are. It's 9:56 a.m. here in New South Wales, Australia. And I thought it would be a great idea to have a look at the charts on the trades we're taking together. So, excuse the noise in the background. I'm a family person. I've got a load of washing on and my son in the house, so anything could happen, but we'll do our best. So I just wanted to have a look at this chart with you, and I've drawn in the stop loss, the TP1, TP2 and TP3 position. Now I can see a price channel is forming on the 4 hour. Now I'll show you. It's showing support here, and it's showing resistance here. You see this channel which is forming here on the 4 hour chart? So it's respecting support. I'll just make that a bit closer and more accurate. It's respecting support and resistance in this channel. So as I've said before, currency can be like a ball hitting between two walls, and you can see the support, which is down the bottom, and the resistance, which is at the top, acting like those walls. And imagine the ball bouncing up and down between the walls. So we still have a little bit of room here on this trade. This trade can definitely come down and hit our support area here, but as you can see, the stop loss is under that area. So I'm not really expecting this trade to do much at the moment, though it might surprise me. I am expecting it to come down a little bit and hit this area before bouncing up and hitting our take profits all the way up to take profit 3. So if you haven't entered this trade yet, just check in with us, because there's still time to enter this trade. So that is New Zealand US dollar and what I can see on the 4 hour chart. I'm just going to have a look at the higher time frame, so we can see we've got the daily. So we are at a bottom, and we can see this area is being respected. You can see our zone here, but when we look backwards, there was a similar price channel being created. So that would be a price action area where our bankers are putting in their trades. We can see we've been a lot lower, so we're on our way back up. I think this could be a good trade. It may get stopped out if there's some bank manipulation, but you can see that our stop loss is below there, and it looks pretty safe to me. So let's have a look at the Australia and New Zealand dollar. AUD, USD. Okay, what can we see here? We've also got a price channel on the daily time frame. So let's mark that up. Oops, not the ruler. We will need a trend line for this. And we can see here. I'm on my phone, so it's a bit hard to get it exactly accurate because I'm using my thumbs. And then we will draw it on the top line. So, and you can see that this price channel is being respected. I trade this currency pair, so I've already got my own markups on the chart, and it's playing in this area. I've drawn 2 zones where it's playing in at the moment, so I would be looking at our stop loss, which is also below this price channel. So we do also have a bit of room to move. It looks very similar setup to the New Zealand US dollar. As I said, hard to get this accurate on the phone. Hang on. So it's not completely accurate, but you can get an idea where I'm headed with this. So again, it's bouncing between support and resistance. So you can see here, if you see it go backwards a little bit, don't freak out. It's normal. It definitely has some room to move in there before bouncing up. But, you know, it also could bounce up from here because I can see there's a bit of price action in between here. So anything's possible with where it's going to head before it goes up, but I can see a little bit of downplay in there. And it looks like if it sticks within this price channel, hitting TP3 is definitely something that could manifest. I'm just going to have a look at the smaller time frames. So you can see we're playing in this price channel in here. Oops. On the 4-hour time frame, which is good. So we can see in here there's a bit of price action going on. So we might go up and down for days before anything happens, but what you need to do is set and forget the positions and just check in on them to take your stop loss off at market open, close, and put it back on again. And we will have some more trades for you tonight to have a look at. That's tonight in Australia. Falls at about in the mid-morning in the UK. And I know we've got someone here in Spain, and we've got our USA friend in here. And I know she gets up super early to get these trades, so fantastic. Nice one, Elizabeth. Okay, so I hope that was helpful in explaining and showing you what's going on the charts. So we can see there's a support and there's a resistance. So the support acts as a support. When the price hits that area, it tends to bounce away from that area. Okay, have a great day, everyone. I hope that's helped you see what we're actually trading and what that might look like.